So this is clock tower, and on the last video I fell to the red side, or I don't know. Now it's time to focus. So we resume. Okay, let me back later. I just fell. Okay. So finally get out the troller. So let's go. And boom. Yeah, I forgot this is not a tower that I gonna resume. Clock tower 2, but this is okay. We are now here at the game. Just ignore the clouds. Now let's get all the slaps. Wait, all the slaps. Now let's focus. Go. Okay, we are here. Last time I didn't check. Give it to everyone to see how I get them up so fast. Okay, come on, it's too close. But why is the clock tower 2 is so very easy? Okay, I'm gonna put. When I die, I will never play Roblox anymore now. I'm playing Grow a Garden, but not in this account. Not if I fall, I had to quit Grow. Come on. Okay, I survived. I forgot to say that if I fall on the beginning, I quit. No, wait. Oh, yeah. But my world is gonna waste. Oh, that's so close. That is so close. No, it's so close. I hate all of these jumps. I hate all of this. Because this is everywhere. Ignore the song. Okay. Now it's time for this. Come on. This is impossible. No. Come on.